How to fix your PHP extension zip and GD not installed or enabled in your XAMPP. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Do you want to install the PHP zip and GD extension on your XAMPP but cannot? If so, here is a perfect tutorial. For this, you have to first uncomment some of the options from the php.ini file. So, in order to do so, you have to first open your XAMPP control panel. Once the control panel is open, under Apache you will see config. Tap on the config button and then go to php.ini. Once you tap on it, it will open the notepad or any other default folder for the text file. Now press in Ctrl+F and then type in extension equals to zip. Once you search for it, make sure to remove the semicolon which is just before this tab. Likewise, search for GD now, which is extension is equals to GD, and remove the semicolon from the line as well. Once that is done, make sure to save the file. After that, restart your XAMPP and then check if the PHP extension zip and GD has been installed and enabled or not. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.